Hey, hi, hello. I hope everyone. Hi, hello, everyone. So today I am Sudharsanan for people who don't know me. So I'm a blockchain developer for 5 years, and recently I moved from a smart contract developer to a blockchain core developer. You can say it as a core developer. Like I'm doing Rust development now. So one thing I missed out was learning about new blockchains, and I want to use these live sessions especially to dive into new blockchains and what they offer and how can we develop new technologies. And this is the whole motto of this particular live sessions which I'm going to go through, and I hope we could able to do some quality videos where we dive in some new blockchain which I'm not familiar of. Maybe like you guys can give me suggestions of going to which blockchains we can go, and we are going for live for every 30 minutes daily to learn something new. And today our focus is going to be on Aptos. So this is something which is today we are going to see what's Aptos and what does the documentation say, and what is the language they use, and how can we build a language, and what are the things that it offer. Tomorrow we are going to do live coding where we can start writing new contracts in Aptos and deploy to Aptos and check out some of the wallets, everything which is available on that. So that's the agenda all about. So let's check out what Aptos is all about. So first of all, when you go into Aptos website, you can see make your move. So move, because they are very much happy about move, because move is the smart contract language which they are using, and especially in this particular area I'm very happy because move is one of the particular blockchains which is a very superlative set of Rust. So I want to talk about how Aptos came into the picture first. Okay, so one important thing which I wanted to talk about is I want to first know about what is a DIAM blockchain before coming into what is Aptos, because basically DIAM blockchain was created by Meta, the famous company which created us different different blockchain different chat solutions, social media like Facebook, Instagram, and also which owns WhatsApp. So this particular company wanted to venture into blockchain. So you all might have known about something called as Libra. So Libra, sorry, I just typed library. So Libra is stable coin which so when you go into the Wikipedia, it says DIAM, formerly known as Libra, was a permission blockchain based stablecoin payment system proposed by American social media company Meta. So this was how the DIAM blockchains came into the picture, and because of this we have all got something like superlative language on top of Rust called as Move. So Move was used in order to create these blockchains. So there are actually if you go and search about DIAM blockchains, let's check blockchains today. So DIAM is done and out. So you can see in the Verge, Zuckerberg dream of launching a cryptocurrency is officially over. You can see the regulators blocked DIAM, and how the rebrands, after multiple rebrands. So it was called first Libra, and then it was called as DIAM. The association behind DIAM. So they sold everything to Silvergate for 200 millions, and you can see a crypto focused bank, and all these things in the diam, and you can search over the history. So this is the history of diam blockchains. So Aptos and Sui, so two of the languages. uh, what is Aptos, and okay, so this LinkedIn article will give you exactly what is the difference between Aptos and Sui. So particularly both Aptos and Sui came from a same broad aspect, that is diam. You can also see Mir protocol, which Polygon acquired some days, like 1.5 years before, was also from the same Libra team, which is the Meta's blockchain team. So these are the cryptocurrencies which have been worked on and been used in Meta. So these companies came out and they start something called as Aptos, and so Aptos is a blockchain network with which everything you need to build your next big idea. Let's move. I can see all the big companies like Microsoft, AWS, Google Cloud, MoonPay, Coinbase, everybody over there, and they have different gaming, NFT, social media, all of whatever you want and to work on with Aptos. And okay, so let's go into what their developer docs uses. Okay, so the developer docs says, the first line of the developer docs says Aptos is a layer 1 for everyone. It means the people, exactly. Our documentation is so designed any Web3 ecosystem projects for contribute positively the global community, all these things you can see. So first of all, we wanted to check on the concepts. So let's go to the concepts and what is how it is different from other blockchains. So that's something which we wanted to. Okay, so life of the transaction. This is an interesting area which we wanted to understand from how Aptos is different from different blockchains. So it says like each have an account on Aptos blockchain. Alice account has 110, is 10 sending 10 accounts. So the current sequence number is 5, and so there will be a total of 100 validator nodes. So it means like they are also have 100 validators nodes, and you want to check out what is their consensus is. Let's check where we can check it. Okay, let's check what is the consensus behind Aptos. Okay, so the consensus behind Aptos is the consensus protocol. Consensus mempools are there. Virtual. Okay, all this is okay, but what is the consensus that used? Okay, when you can't find it in the documentation, all what is the consensus mechanism in Aptos? Okay, so Aptos requires a minimum of consensus, integrates both. Oh, okay, so they have both POS and BFT. So Aptos BFT, so their consensus algorithm they called as Aptos BFT. So Aptos requires a minimum of 1 million token in order to participate in the consensus. Wow, that's a huge amount. So if you have 1 million Aptos, then you can become a validator in Aptos. I think minimum, how many validators are there? So Aptos, so to check about the metrics, Aptos claims to have extremely low fees compared to Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum is very high, very costly, so nobody can build on Ethereum. So Aptos achieves, oh, this is quite intriguing, guys, like how 160,000 TPS, the block finality less than 1 second. Now I'm interested in learning Aptos. Okay, so Aptos has produced over 100 million blocks with block time transaction speed of 5 seconds. I know Aptos is fast, but I'm first time I don't think want to check it out how fast is Aptos while building it out in live. And a coin transfer of Aptos can cost around. So is this fixed? Because they say a coin transfer. Okay, let's take in the official documentation. Let's check whether if we can find fees. Okay, what this fees says. So execution IO cost, this covers your use of transitioned compute instruments such as processing your transaction, propagating the validated. Okay, that's okay. Measured in gas units, may fluctuate according to the load of network. Okay, storage fees, this is covers around the cost. What is the price, bro? Why do these blockchain companies never say what is the actual price? Oh, I wanted to learn all those things to understand what is the price itself. Okay, I think even that is okay. Let's take crypto.com. Crypto.com is a legit site, so I think we can trust their blog. So coin transfer on Aptos can cost around 0.5 AFT. So how much is this? Okay, let's check what is Aptos price today first. And so what is Aptos price today? Coin market cap. Okay, it's $8.51. So if okay, let's check what is hits to Indian rupees. One of that cost, how much rupees it will cost. So we can get rupees to USD to rupees. USD to rupees, and we go over here. So where is that? So it's around 0. Yeah, so it means, so first of all we want to check how much it will cost, because one Aptos is around, so that is into, what's the price? The price is 8.53. so I want to first check what is the dollars. Get into the dollars amount. We can do that in this itself. Calcs. Point so what's the price? Sorry, 0.00055 0.00055 into so this is their Aptos. So we want to check their current Aptos price, which is around 8.53. so if you put that, you will 8.83. so now you can get, so this is the dollars price, so you can get the dollars out. 0.39 rupees. It's very cheap. It's less than 50 paise, guys. So that's what it's for a transaction Aptos takes, according to the crypto.com. I want to check it out. We will check it out tomorrow, because when we are doing actual coding. So APT is their native token of Aptos, and futures pay for transaction network fees and incentivize validators. 1 million APT if you wanted to become one. So that the tokenomics is 51% for community. Okay, wow, it's a huge amount. It's common in any to have a large account base. Like when you tokenomics, they will almost every similar blockchains L1s use this much amount. But surprisingly, their communities, it was very high. I was not expecting 50%. I was expecting 30 or 40, but that's something. And core contributors get 19, and foundation get 16, investors get 13. So it means that Aptos might be giving grants. Okay, we will check out whether they have grants. Yeah, they have grants. Aptos Foundation Grants Program assigned to applicants can apply grant for one of the. Okay, so if you wanted to build on Aptos, if you build any tooling or any software development kits, then you can get a grant. You can also get a grant for building governance mechanisms, DeFi's and NFTs. Yeah, nice. Core protocol contributions. Yeah, token standards, libraries. These are like in Ethereum it is always open. I think Aptos may or may, I don't know whether if there is any Aptos developers already. I think you can comment out in the downstairs so that we can get. So open source and public goods. Yeah, it has like all this education initiatives. Oh, they are giving education institution. I think I should apply for a grant then. Nice. Okay, so applications also. So you can actually get. So the criteria. What are the criteria? Projects must be provide new substantial value to the ecosystem. Okay, must be open source or committed to a timeline for open sourcing. That's nice. That's nice because most of the projects, most of the people who does with grants doesn't make that open source. They will. So that's a good one. So we will also offer grants globally, expect for individuals or entities in sanctioned jurisdictions. Nice. Publicly, but will need to identify. Oh, okay. So it means like you can be anonymous. To public, you don't want to show that this is your project, but you should show that Aptos that this is your project and you want to have a past identity things. Guidelines. Yeah, so for the guidelines you have project name of the company, project description, value proposition, deliverables, team and plus past experience, technical architecture overview, everything. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is a good one. So they also has a artist grant. So if you are an NFT artist, I think you can also do creators across all media with non-dilutive funding and cutting edge infrastructures. Okay, nice. It means that will the creators include this artist grant? So will the YouTubers comes in the creators? I don't know. Yes, I will check it out. Aptos and Google Cloud Accelerator program. Yeah, so this is a nice one because Google Cloud has now started giving out funds for majority of blockchains, and Aptos Foundation is one of them. This thing which I have recently read about this. So yeah, so this is nice because if you wanted to learn Aptos, you have almost like so much. Okay, let's get into how their contracts look. So let's enough of talking about what they are. And so consensus wise, we have already said that is using something called as Aptos BFT. So it includes both two things. One is it includes POS and also BFT. POS proof of stake and BFT is like Byzantine fault tolerance. So these are the two things which they are combined and started out. And we also checked on their prices. Prices is actually pretty low. It's around 50 paise for a transaction. It's quite yeah. So it means that and also they are saying that they have around 1,60,000 TPS. That's super cool, dudes. Because having if this is at least half of this is achieved, I think Aptos I can actually do great work on this thing. So it's quite a good one. And Aptos achieved decentralization by having 117 validators. So around 117 validators across 26 countries and 51 cities. So at December 2023, this is what Aptos. So an interesting way that why you want to do learn Aptos development. Yeah, it's like so far many of the things are welcoming. because Ethereum doesn't have this kind of TPS or yeah. So and only one thing which will stop you is to that you wanted to know a bit of Rust before coming into this. I think more it's a superset of Rust, but yeah, think if you're familiar with Polkadot or Solana development, I think you can easily do Aptos. Let's check how is their contracts. Will they have any contract structures or something? So then it might be useful because we can know what we can do. Okay, so build. Okay, learn the Move language. So your first Moblock, Aptos, Moblock. So we have certain series of things. Aptos Move framework, Aptos Discord. So they have a Discord channel which you can join. So okay, so JetBrains IDEs has a Move language plugin. Remix IDE. Oh, this is nice. So we can actually do a Remix IDE plugin which has, let's check it out. So Remix, let's check whether we have an Aptos plugin there. So that's a nice thing, right? When you have remixes been the starting point for many languages. I'm very happy to see many of the newer blockchains have actually started trying to put these plugins for remix. So that's quite good. I love it because let's check whether Aptos is there. Move. What is this, guys? I don't have. Build beer is a private sandbox solution. Cello is there. Circom ZKB compiler is there. So Circom now has our ZKB compiler over here. The wow. I remember when I was doing ZKPs. I remember going through it's very hard to actually compile the Circom codes. If this actually works, I think then you can actually start working on ZKPs, and the Circom is a very vast library. For people who don't know what a Circom is, so you all know the Polygon's ZK AVM. So the company behind it, IDIN3, which was founded by Jordi Bellina, one of the primary engineers in Polygon now, was actually the founder of this IDIN3 company, and he developed this Circom's ZKVs. So this is also there. So yeah, you can see you can run Claton here itself. Miami compiler is there, Starknet is there, Uma protocol is there, Uma tutorials is there. This is nice to have all these things. But I was checking on one thing, but I can't able to find it out. So let me go inside and check this. Use Remix IDE plugin. Okay, code by Welden Studio. So this is the plugin. Sorry guys, I have not clicked that. So it's a code by Welden Studio. So let's check. Oh yeah, this is the one. Activate. So I activated it. Let's check where it is. Now I've activated it. So now that means that I can go here and where's that? So this is the okay. So you actually have different kinds of compilers here. So with this plugin, you can actually use Neutron, Sui, which is in Cosm, Aptos, Juno, Near, Cello, Claton. Nice. This is nice, guys. So I'm going to click on so Petra. What is Petra? I don't. Maybe Petra is a wallet. I don't know. Petra. I don't know. Sorry guys. Petra Aptos. Oh yeah, it is a wallet. So you can actually start a wallet, you can actually create a wallet with this. So you can add a extension, on sync, yes, I'm in, create new wallet. You can see that I'm creating a wallet here, but I know that you guys might think that you can, somebody if watches this video can actually become, oh my god, what just happened to my browser now? Arjun Petra. Let me start. I will delete this wallet after this video, so no problems. Continue. This is the area I wanted to be very okay. Let's check it out. So done. I think this is the worst thing which any software developer will do on a live video. Obviously. Okay, guys. Yeah, so Petra has been installed now, so I can actually use. Guys, don't ever do this whatever I did right now because this is the worst thing which any blockchain developer can do. Yeah, but I'm not going to use it, so I just don't want to get anything, and I'm not going to use any kind of thing with this. So I'm just going to try out this plugin in Remix. Okay, so let me, Petra will be supported soon. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is why this is why I was so this is, see guys, they literally asked this, so I checked out Petra, but Petra is so what should I do now? So I want to connect to Welden, install Welden wallet. Oh my god, this is so bad, right? You wanted to, I just created Petra. What is this? Okay, so I will close all these tabs which came out, because maybe this all came out because I had all these things with me. Torrent scanner I just added. Okay, let me check what is the name. Okay, so Welden wallet, you want to install that. Let me check that. Welden wallet for multi-chain. So this is a multi-chain wallet. So they have, so is Welden Studio's only way is to create wallets or something? What is Welden Studio first? I wonder. This is very, let me open it in a new tab. Oh, okay, so Welden Studio, which has a verification API for Web3 voyages. Also it has Welden wallet, Welden code. Okay, so Welden code is actually the plugin which we are talking about. So Welden add chain is like you can go into that Remix plugin and you can add different chains. Multi-chain index for Web3. Nice. I've never heard of. Have you guys heard of this name before? I've never heard of Welden Studio. Yes, this is nice. This is a nice finding today. I just found out Welden Studio today. Nice case. So yeah. So let's add to Chrome and try creating. Now I want to check one thing, because since we have already had a Okay, finally here. So now I want to match this. Okay, create a wallet. It's done. I have a wallet now. So Ethereum, Zello, everything is there. So new chain has been released. So we are going to check Aptos. So okay, import private key. Look. No, I don't have a private key, right? So let's go Aptos, add account. His name is test. Okay, and Aptos mainnet is, I'm connected to Aptos mainnet, but definitely I don't want to use Aptos mainnet, so I will be using Aptos testnet. And setup is done. So now what I want to do is to connect to Welden wallet. What? Oh my god, why is this reload site? Why it just still says I don't want to do. Where's Welden? Okay. Welden. Where is that? Aptos move VM connect to Welden. What's the problem, bro? What is not even going inside it? So I just clicked on and issues. What's the issues? Oh, it goes to another page. Bro, it's not even connecting, bro. What is this? Aptos connect to Welden. Is there any? Have you guys tried it out anytime? But I'm not able to get it out. So okay. Okay, let's not waste time. I don't think it will work. So Petra is not supported and Welden is not connecting. So I think it's good if we. Okay, let me go the other way around. Check there is any options for connecting faucet. Request faucet. You get tokens here itself. Where did you go? Oh, I got tokens, bro. This is nice. I like this feature. Is that because I have it doesn't works with what is the problem, bro? Mainnet, it works only with mainnet. That's the only case. I'll try to. No, it's better a little bit supported. No. I have everything, but I don't get any options. I don't think so. There's a docs also. I might go inside and check. Create template. So I have create template and all. But where is that? Okay, allow blockchain. Select a template. Okay, we wanted to create it. Okay, accept it. Permission needed. Make sure you trust this plugin. Where should I? Will I get some code? Yeah, I got one. Nice. But this is not that. So this is the mode.toml. So basically toml files are used for creating any toml libraries, and address is 0xx cafe. So, this is a strange one. I don't know. So Aptos framework is there. So they have Aptos framework. Okay, let us go into the contract and see how this has been. Hello blockchain message use standard error. Okay, so basically we have a struct for message holder, we have a struct for message change event. So as drop and store is key. Okay, there is a function public fun. So fun is a keyword which is okay, Rust has fn and this has fun, I think. There is assert. Okay, assert is similar to what we use in like require in, I think it's similar to require. So borrow global, so it uses a pointer and all, bro. Okay, set message account address we are having. If account message holder move to message change events, else this if condition goes inside. Okay, okay, sender can set messages and Aptos framework create for us. So we are actually setting the allow blockchain message. We are also asserting it by getting get, I think, what sender can get method. So it's actually the test. So they have written the test here also, but what is this test then? Module blockchain thing, this set message and assert. Oh, why do they wanted to write it two places? I don't know. Maybe this is how it has been done. Any Aptos developers, any Move developers, can you help me to understand this, because I couldn't able to understand this stuff. Why are they writing it in both tests and also this thing? This is entirely new for me, so I have never touched Move language so far, and this is going to be something. Yeah, I think, yeah, I like it because it gives you a new challenge, and it has some similarities with Rust, but it's not the same Rust because they don't use impl or something, and they just the function is fun here. There it is fn. That's a major difference, bro. Okay, so it is there. Now let's go to Welden, connect to Welden. So hello blockchain. Oh, I wanted to create a test. Okay, create, accept. Just hello blockchain is created. Aptos hello blockchain. So I have two projects now. So hello blockchain is, I have checked hello blockchain, but yeah, so the thing is I cannot able to connect with this. Maybe I wanted to check their documentation. Select a template, new project, compile the contract, deploy the contract. See, when they are touching that, they already have the account and all this thing is balance and everything over there, but for us it's not working. You want to check it out, or we just don't want to use this interface itself. It's not that easy or good to go. Oh, I think yes guys, so yeah, so literally this is the thing. Yeah, okay, so I think today we have gone through certain things in Aptos. Tomorrow also we will connect directly with us and we will learn Aptos together. Seems like it's a very good, there are lots of good things why we wanted to learn Aptos, and especially we could be able to do some code, check whether it has some tutorials which we can run it out, and then we can write our own code and check if we can actually create some Aptos contracts, and if we get some ideas which we wanted to try, and make sure you put those in comments. I will add you as and we will try to get the grants from Aptos team. Okay, so far thank you for joining me in this particular video. Maybe you are not joined in the chats. I think there are some people actually joined. Okay, so okay, so Prabhu Tyagarajan said it's very boring. Yeah, nice. Tech thread says Aptos using with consensus mechanism. So yeah, so Aptos use something, tech threads. Aptos is using something called as BFT. It's called as Aptos BFT. So it actually uses POS plus BFT. Yeah, and Prabhu, actually it's a valid comment because first thing is it's a tech exploration. So this doesn't will be it is like we don't get everything on the fly. I don't know what is Aptos. I wanted to start something which we could able to join together and do something so that we will be together we can able to pursue something. But it might be not good in the first session because we are just going through different stuffs and we don't usually do that. And many videos we are very much into something called as we gone from very long videos. We don't have that attention span right now. We have gone into very much shorts. So one thing which I'm going to do is I will be toning down all these explorations. These will be live videos, but all the things which I learned, I'm going to compile it and put it out in very short form videos. I think you can able to get something out there, and yeah. So basically, it's thank you for the valuable comment because that's even a very good things because this kind of comments actually will help me grow. And yeah, so we'll be going through several videos in this series. So this is very start, and today we just explored what is Aptos and we explored some blocks, and tomorrow we might definitely code. And I hope this series will get some good views, or it actually it's not meant for views or something. It's just meant for exploring things and how we can go into particular tech stack, very something which you are learning very new. How can you approach it? There are like many different ways. This is how I used to do in my work, and yeah, I randomly switch over things, so that's something there. But I hope we will make this series very it's my first time too, so we will try to make it very worthy for everyone. Thanks for the time, and for anyone for especially for Tech Threads and Prabhu for joining this. Hope we will catch up soon, and in another video where we write some code. Okay, bye guys.